Our stock has been trending for some time now. This is Friday, the 27th of February, 2026. The stock bounced on the 6th of February and has maintained an upward push within a longer term, within a medium term trend. And the extrapolation is saying that higher prices may prevail going all the way towards the 17th of March. For today, that is what we have. As you can see, up 13.25%. Yes, the stock is also trending as a major strategic shift toward AI and high performance computing data centers, driven by new partnerships and acquisitions, is generating intense community discussion and speculation about a significant short squeeze, largely overshadowing recent disappointing financial results. The new partnership with Starwood Digital Ventures to build up to 2.5 gigawatts of AI capable data centers is seen as a pivotal strategic shift for the company. Traders are anticipating a potential short squeeze fueled by over 30% short interest and the positive news, with many targeting price levels above $10 or even $30. Discussion center on the company's the company's substantial Bitcoin holdings, 53,822 BTC, worth over $3.7 billion, and how its price correlation might shift or still drive valuation despite the AI pivot. Persistent criticism of CEO Fred Thiel focuses on his management decisions, perceived late entry into AI, and high execution compensation amid financial performance concerns. The reported Q4 net loss of $1.7 billion, largely to Bitcoin write-downs, is a major talking point with with the market's positive reaction to AI news, despite the loss causing debate. Okay, it has a high beta as well, 4.9, 4.976. That's quite high, even though we have seen even way higher beta, but for a regular stock, it is high. It means that statistically the stock amplifies the broader market by a factor of 4.9. So if the market is down 2%, the stock is likely going to be down around almost 10%. Statistically, this is how it has performed. So far, so good. This is the pre-market session. We're not really going to pay much attention to the volume that have crossed the tape so far, 5.14 million compared to the 43 million shares that is the usual 50-day average. Had to borrow as well. Usually the usually associated with heavily shorted stocks, but we don't have the borrow rate. Yeah, as I was indicating earlier on, the stock is showing it's been showing some strength within a longer term bearish trend. Yes, this underlying trend is bearish. Yeah, the 200-day moving average, which underscores its underlying trend, is sloping bearishly lower. Yeah, let's see what we have now. I think it has a good. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, it has this. The stock is actually showing. Well, as it is now, we can actually say it's even though it's been showing a lot of strength, but to some extent, it's still. It is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is showing some strength. It is trending. It's also trending. Yeah, it's trending in the midst of a correction. Yeah, it's trying to reverse the correction. So the correction is still very much in effect because we have the order 10-day, 21-day, 40-day, 200-day. This is the way you want them to be in this order. You want your ducks lined in the way they should be. Oldest leading all the time. Sorry, youngest, fastest leading all the time. So that's what we have right now. At some point, it may go into consolidation because you can see the 10-day moving average. By the time the market opens, this is not active right now. By the time the market opens, it will be totally different. It may go into a consolidation phase, but with the aim of probably unraveling that. So a brief consolidation phase. But the algos are not anticipating that to be a stage that might maybe at some point it might happen. You can see here it's saying a consolidation is expected to play out from the 17th of the 18th of March. Maybe that may happen anytime soon. But not well, yes, in the very short time, yes. But for now, it's saying that higher prices nonstop. There's also no guarantee that that will be the case at all. It's really ambitious and positive, really positive at all. I mean, completely. I mean, so in any case, the projections are saying 5.22 down projection, 6.15 downward projection, 7.65 downward projection, 9.28. Is it a 9.28? It's a downward projection. 10.27 upwards, 10.89 upward projections. Okay. Volatility is expected based on the 10-day moving average we have here, the price pressure momentum. Let's see. Let's see whether this moving average is trending. It is trending, yes, up 1.1. Sorry, it's gaining $1.13 every day. Yeah, let's see what we have on its 21 day. We want to see if they align. Let's see. Let's apply the 21-day moving average price pressure momentum to where they align. Do we have? Yes, we have an alignment in the short term. Yes, we have an alignment. We have a convergence. They are saying the same thing. They are pretty much chiming from the same sheet. Yeah, let's have a look at the. We'll have a look at the 200, the 40 and the 200, 40-day and the 200-day moving averages. Let's see. Yes, momentum on the 200 days is expected to continue to rise. So I think we have an alignment. Yes, I think all of them, you clearly saw all of them are, indicating that, yeah, they were all saying that momentum was going to pick up. So that's a positive for Mara stock. Yes, we have all four moving averages aligning. That's a positive. That's a positive. Let's see what we have on its weekly chart, which is deemed as a much more, can be reliable, a lot more reliable. Yeah, we also have them all flat or flat or flat. That I want that to be the case. Let's see. So over the course of now up to the 21st of September, nothing really much is really expected to happen, especially to the 40-day moving average. But the 200-day moving average slightly expected to inch up, but still very much flat as well. Yeah, let's see. Let's apply the 10 and 21-day moving averages to 10 and 21 week. This time around, it's going to be week, not day, because we're on the weekly chart. What do we have here? Yeah, pretty much as the same thing as well. Pretty much the same thing. All flat, pretty much. Yes, we have the same thing as well, aligning higher prices all the way towards the 6th of April. I think this is the same thing we have on the daily chart. High prices all the way towards 60, the 8th of April. Okay, no, sorry, but no, but okay, but April it's expected to begin to fade. Okay, so but well, the thing there is that we have the moving averages on the weekly chart all aligning as well. Yeah, pretty much all aligning. Yeah, yes, they're all pretty much aligning. Yes, yeah, that's a positive. Yes. Okay, so that's what's going on with Mara stock. It's been trading for some time now. Let's see whether there's any piece of news here. Has a buy rating from 9 analysts with a median 12-month price target of $21, indicating a potential upside of about 59.8% from $8.45. Yeah, we have some positive on Mara stock. We have some positive. Let's see how all of this will pan out. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, so see what you make of Mara stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.